Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Mouth Kitchen. Today we are in the backyard again. If this is your first time viewing, please hit that subscribe button, watch the full video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and to our returning viewers, we thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting us. So let me get the camera and show you guys what we'll be cooking today. We have some lobster tails, we have some shrimp, we have some tilapia. Everything has been cleaned and washed already, guys, so all we need to do is get straight into the video. Let's go. Okay, so here is our shrimp, and I'm going to cover it with some saran wrap and put it aside and start working on the lobster. Broke the knife, guys. Look at that. Well, there it is. It's cut. I'm gonna use the same knife. Okay, our lobster is seasoned. I'm just gonna cover it down with this while we make our fire, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put some of this. Alright guys, so while our fire is here getting ready, we're gonna start cutting these vegetables right here that we're gonna be putting on the lobster. Yes guys, this is our cut veggies that we will be using on the lobster. Let's walk over here, and looks like it is ready guys, so we can start frying our lobster. Wow guys, this is already smelling lovely. Got that nice color coming in already guys. Wow. Careful, all right? My kids looking over the neighbor's yard. Yes guys, this is what we're gonna put on the lobster right here. I'm gonna finish it up right now. I'm gonna cover it like this. Let it stay right there guys. Guys, I forgot to season up the flour, so I'm trying to do my best here. Yes guys, these look lovely and they smell lovely. Look at that guys, look at the flakes. Lovely, nice and pretty. Look at that guys. I'm gonna put the rest of them in there. done. So I'm putting in the fish right now, guys. Alright, turn the fish. Ooh, that is looking good. Lovely there, guys. Yes, people. Night catch we, guys. Nevertheless, still a good experience. This fish smells so good right now, guys. I'm telling you. Alright guys, so here is the fish. I'm gonna take them inside and we'll serve them up after we're done frying these plantains. We'll catch you guys back inside where we have better lighting and we'll show you guys the finished product. Yes guys, I'm gonna fix up this area somewhat, guys. So next time I'm cooking outside, whether it's day or night, you guys are gonna be seeing properly. We don't have to be rushing inside. Don't worry yourself, guys. The improvements are coming slowly but surely. Alright guys, we're done cooking. As you can see, night caught us outside. We're gonna go inside and show you the finished product. Let's go inside. Here is my plate. I'm about to dig in and tell you how it tastes. I'm gonna start with the shrimp. Yes guys, crunchy and nice. Very crunchy and nice, guys. Try this now off the lobster. Perfect, guys. Yes, guys. So, guys, you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching all the way through. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a like and leave many comments. Tell me how good this meal looks. You guys should try this meal at home. Thanks again, Sweet Mouth Kitchen. See you next time.